Hello, babies. It's a beautiful morning out here, huh? Just me and you are up and walking. Yeah. He's not most pleased with me for putting his harness on, but that's what we're doing. We go for a walk and we're looking at the mountains. It is quite beautiful out. Quite cold still though. Today I think is mine and John's first day of work. It's about 6:30 right now. I think we gotta be there at 8, so I'm just out here walking the Hutster. We just locked him in. Bye, Bubba. Oh, he's barking. He's like, don't you dare come back and not let me out. Hello. Hi.
You're real nutty. You are super excited.
He needs a toy. Hi.
Need a toy? Get a toy.
He's like, don't lock me in here. Do not lock me in here. Okay. Good. Good. Now you got something for your mouth.
Oh.
How you doing, bud? Alright, we're off on an adventure since we have the day off. We're gonna go actually park and try and walk through West Yellowstone, like downtown. See what little shops and whatnot they got going on. And maybe we'll head into the park. I don't know. I have my pass with me, so.
I'll just buy my new pass.
Yeah.
I'm gonna buy it within May sometime anyway, probably.
Yeah. Alright, we're heading out. And now according to the people who drove in this morning, there's 4 people off the road on their way to work, so. It seems to have melted a bit. Hopefully the roads will not be super slick. But Johnny's driving, so he'll be careful.
Don't worry, we're in 2-wheel drive. Someone in the ditch right there.
Yeah, there was
probably what the ambulance was for.
There was an ambulance outside the park this morning. There is one of the accidents. It's already caution taped off, so no one's in the car, but you can see the roads were quite bad this morning.
Yeah, good thing we didn't go into town to poop.
We just parked down there. Now we're in this indoor-outdoor mall area. This is what we parked in front of, but whoops. We're just gonna go walk through town and, you know, see what stores and stuff is down here. Get ourselves acclimated. We found our first moose in Yellowstone, and he's wearing a backpack. He's got a bit of a hurt nose though. Oh, and there's a bear. Hello, Yogi. Boo boo. We got a fish here. Another moose back there.
Slippery sidewalk here.
Nice icy sidewalk. Wow. Bullwinkles. Alright, we just walked through all of downtown. We went in one store with Hutsy. Excuse me. Seems like we could have gone in a couple more. There's plenty that said no pets, but plenty that didn't also. Now we're gonna go drive through the park. Ooh. The park being Yellowstone. Thank you. He knows he's pretty. They said, or they've had tons of signs saying that there's bison on the road, so we'll see if we can't find some.
We should have enough fuel. I filled up and I'm getting 16 miles instead of 9.
No trailer.
Yeah.
He's pretty comfortable. Oh, now that I mentioned it, he's got to pretend he's in a wake and alert. He is beautiful.
He's beautiful.
He's beautiful, pretty, perfection.
Check
Check out the river, babies.
You know what river that is?
Yellowstone River.
Yep, it's the Yellowstone River.
Thank you. I'm so good. I knew it. I don't know if I can see him. If you guys look really close, yeah, you can't see it. Across the river on the side of the hill, there was a bunch of bison just like standing there. Oh, Johnny's gonna turn around here. Go through the one way. I guess we will get to see. And I'll be on the correct side of the car. Oh, good Lord. Are you going the wrong way?
Maybe.
Johnny's going the wrong way on one way.
I don't think it's a one way. It didn't say one way, did it?
I don't know. There's all the bison up there. Is there babies up there? Yeah, there's a baby. That's pretty cool. No, there's people going both ways. I guess you didn't go the wrong way. There's just a lot of traffic. This is a good view of the buffalo, the bison.
Yeah, I'm just driving by.
Yeah. It's kind of out of focus, but it's the Madison River. It's not the Yellowstone River. The Yellowstone River definitely is in the park somewhere, though.
It does exist.
And there's more bison over here. I think we're gonna see a lot of bison. Just like in the Badlands. They're everywhere. You guys see the geyser activity up here? That's not smoke, that is steam. I see a lone buffalo by the river down here. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna stay up here. You see this bad boy? He's a big one. All buffalo are kind of big. Oh, they're so impressive. I am directly next to the car. I'm not going by him, but I'm just watching him walk by. All right, we're going to check out, it's either Gibbon or Gibson Falls. I can't remember. We'll find out in a minute. But it is flowing.
That's the Gibson Falls?
Nope, Gibbon.
Gibbon Falls.
Gibbon Falls. There must be a better angle up here.
Maybe.
Strut your stuff. Strut your stuff. Ah, oh, this is nice. All right, guys, get excited. We're gonna go see a geyser. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Come here. Wow. She's bubbling. Picture? It's a thermal area.
Just a little poop vent over there.
Yep, smells like rotten eggs. Your face when you first walked over here was hilarious.
You know, since I never fully regained my smell, it's not as bad as I remember. Like this, hating this park as much.
Yeah.
I like Yellowstone. I hate the smell of Yellowstone.
We're at some overlook, and you can see a bunch of geysers off in the distance. Sorry, I'm sucking a lifesaver, but let me show you. Wow. You guys see all the thermal activity? You can see the geysers for like miles. That's pretty pretty cool. Yellowstone is a gigantic park. We're barely scratching the surface of it today. Luckily, we're gonna have plenty of time to explore. Hello, you stole my seat. Oh, you're so cute. Okay, move over. Move over. I know you're tired. All right. Lay down, honey.
Sorry, I didn't copy that one.
Well, apparently there's a bear down here, but no one can see it right now. It has gone back in the woods, so I'm gonna go back to the car. Yeah, people don't stop like this for buffalo. They stop like this for bear. Oh. Can't see it. Yeah, the rangers are like, yeah, you can't see it. It's hop over, Huts.
Yeah, I heard someone say it was a 3-year-old female grizzly.
Yeah. All right, this is probably where we're gonna turn around. This is Roaring Mountain. Let me get out and show you why they call it that.
Sorry, that's really in here on this one.
We're literally going like 2 steps away though.
I'll be okay, bud. I'll be okay.
Stay. And that's why it's called Roaring Mountain. Roar. Did you decide you're gonna drive? Tell Johnny. Oh no. He was thinking he was gonna drive, but you came back, so he'll let you.
All right, bud. We shouldn't really have any more stops.
Johnny wanted me to show you how Hudson is resting his head.
He's just a little tired.
He's like, I'm so tired. He is cute. In my car, he has like a lot of places to rest his head. In the truck, not so much, and so he's utilizing Johnny's shoulder. Oh, don't talk about him too much, it'll embarrass him.
Why did he open his eyes?
Yeah, he went. Check out Nymph Lake. Scooch.
My switch doesn't work on this side. I gotta use the key.
Oh, let's move over. The buffalo that was here is still here, but no one is stopping to look at him. They're all beyond him, looking for the bear. Hudson's like, I want to see the buffalo. A couple hours later, he's fully knocked out, and we're about to exit the park. There she is up ahead. So we're back from the park, and I'm using some leftover ground beef and some cheese and some tortillas and making a grilled cheese. Hudson's very interested. Johnny's gonna try and use the microwave.
Yeah,
Heat up some pasta.
I gotta clean the microwave first.
The grilled cheese is coming along nicely. We had to go with not the microwave because we have metal bowls, so they cannot go in the microwave. That would be bad.
We can't microwave plastic either.
So we just have to heat it up on the stove. But check out this grilled cheese. It's gonna be delicious. I'm so hungry. Hudson's like, yeah, I'm starving too, guys. Another joy of camp life. We are dealing with a frozen water line. The hose is frozen somewhere. We're gonna lay her out in the sun. Is it gonna be our dishwater?
That's enough for right now.
Oh yeah.
I got the bucket clean.
And our hose is laying over here. The snow is like perfect packing snow right now. So I'm trying to roll a snowman, but Hudson is just trying to eat it. You're eating my snowman. We're just gonna build a baby snowman, okay? This is what it looks like now. We'll show you the final result. There's our final snowman. You like him, Huts? I think it looks pretty good. He's cute, just like you. All right, get your ball. Let's go walking. Aw, let's go see the view. We can see mountains back here. Yeah, I could take this site.
Feels doable.
I could wake up to this view.
It would be awesome. But...
You just gotta walk around to find the view. Little tug of war for the boys. Johnny's the one who wanted to play. He's chewing a stick.